Yeah, so part 3 kind of got delayed, but here is the new side exhaust. J-Ball muffler underneath. I love the sound of these mufflers. Oh, and don't ask why I'm missing these hubcaps. So yeah, I have to come to this empty lot because I know my neighbors will kill me if I start doing that around the house. I think it sounds pretty nice. It's not got the nice snap crackle pop. Not terribly bad considering it's not too big of a glass pack. The 24s aren't as crackly as like what the 12 inchers. But definitely think people over there are kind of pissed at me. Oh well, they can deal with it. Alrighty.